What are you doing, Ninja Thing?
So, how is quarantine life treating you? Is it fine? Doing some great work? Or watching Netflix? Doing stupid stuff, usually. Okay, so I've been doing some machine learning and I'm reading some research papers also related to convolutional neural networks, and it is actually machine learning related to images and videos. You stupid morons don't know about it. Okay, so after doing all this technological stuff in machine learning, what do you think? I'll make world a better place? Yes, I will. I made a prank. Okay, so getting into the prank. So the prank is very simple if you think about it for a human being. But for computers, they're stupid. They're fucking stupid. Computers are fucking stupid. Yes, they're fucking stupid. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is, when a person comes in front of a camera, let's say person X, so our program identifies the person A, B or C, whatever the person, if it is in the database. And if the person is detected in front of the camera, for example, let's place it in a room, a bedroom. In the corner of a bedroom, the camera is placed. So someone when walks into the bedroom, and whenever a person is detected by the camera, what it will do? It will do something. Now, what it will do, I thought would be funny was say something stupid, right? Say something fucking stupid. So what I thought was, okay, for example, the camera is placed hidden somewhere. It will say something related personally to that person. In our case, a speech. What is the speech? We convert text to speech using Google's text to speech. Yes, you're correct. That will be more funny in Google's voice. So we'll say something fucking stupid, let's say. So whenever that person enters, that person doesn't know, and that will just start screaming that whatever we have wrote. So it could be anything, right? Just it could be funny. And how are we going to make this? So this seems to be stupid enough, so I'll make infographics. Let's jump to it.
Okay, so the prank is divided into three major components. The first is the human detection algorithm. Next is the converting of the text to speech using GTDS, which is Google Text to Speech. And the last part is to tell a speaker to play the required audio. This could be on a Chromecast or any device in the network, or even on the local speaker of the device. Now, the first part is to get the fucking neural network set up. Now, that is the most important part of this. After that, it's pretty simple. So, what is a neural network? A neural network is a combination of layers of neurons. What are neurons? So, neurons are basically the things, just like the things that makes our nerves in the body. Just it is very simple. It's like a mathematical function which takes an input X and throws an output Y. Now, these layers of neurons are fed with some input, and in our case, the input is an image, and it pukes out an output according to that input. So for a stupid prank, the output is whether a person is present in an image or not, and it also gives a bounding box around that person. That is pretty cool. Now, for a simple input, general artificial neural network, a simple one, would work for, but for this complex inputs, like images that we are using, we require a specialized neural network called as convolutional neural networks, which have special layers called as convolutional layers and pooling layers. So these are like filters which scans through the image. The filters dimension are all definitely smaller than the image, and these filters scans through parts of the image and helps us find the features of the image. Now the initial layers of the neural network tries to find simple features like straight line, diagonal line, or horizontal line, something like that. And later layers, the last layers of neural networks, try to find complex features like textures and objects in an image. So for example, neuron could be trying to find if a cat is present there in a network or not, something like that. And we can also tweak the different parameters like stride and kernel size. But you're already fucking bored with this nerd shit, so let's get to the point. Now, the thing is, these models takes a lot of time and huge data and resources to train on. So we're going to use a pre-trained open source model. Now, shout out to all those open source buddies who are contributing to, and if they are watching, no, they're not watching, they're doing GSOC. What the fuck? So for our purpose, and we don't spare any more fucking time to train. So we're done with the machine learning model. Now for the Google text-to-speech model, we also use machine learning, but this uses some other special neural networks called as sequential models, which take inputs in sequence, which the name suggests and you already understand, don't you? And so to minimize this nerd shit, let's consider that Google has created a magical charm which converts whatever we type to speech. So we're done with Google text-to-speech. Now for the last part, to push out the audio to a speaker. This is pretty simple one, but let's divide it in two halves. There are two things which you can do. The first thing is
What are you doing here, Jithin?
A few moments later.
What are you doing here, Jithin? I can see you. I am your inner voice. It must be weird that you can hear me, but it's true that I can also speak. Why are you not studying right now? You should be completing the assignments that you are supposed to instead of that you are always just playing video games and board games. You will have a hard time later. What are you doing here, Jithin? I can see you. I am your inner voice. It must be weird that you can hear me, but it's true that I can also speak. Why are you not studying right now? You should be completing the assignments that you are supposed to instead of that you are always just playing video games and board.
हर वक्त बेटा 2 बजे तक पढ़ता हूँ, फिर और पढ़ता हूँ, रात को काम करता हूँ, पढ़ता हूँ.
रिकॉर्ड किया मैंने, देख रिकॉर्ड किया.
Okay, so the video is done, and I hope you guys understood what I did. If you didn't, so you're just fucking stupid.